Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account now. Now, tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next is tap the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. And once you're in settings, tap accounts center at the top. Now scroll down and look for personal details. Tap that, then go into account ownership and control. In here, you'll see an option called deactivation or deletion. Tap on that. Next, choose the Instagram account that you want to delete. Scroll down and read the information carefully, and when you're ready, tap continue. Then Instagram will ask you why you're deleting your account. You can pick a reason from the list, then tap continue again. Once that's done, you'll get a warning saying that once the deletion starts, you can't get your account back. So make sure that you really want to do this. If you're sure, tap continue. Now enter your Instagram password to confirm it's your account. And finally, tap continue one last time to finish the process. And that's it. Your Instagram account will be deleted. If this video helped you out, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more simple how-to videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.